A good day from where una dey watch me from. I still remain Angela, the CEO of Gellasfood. Today, we're going to talk about the documents where you need to use start up this business. Anybody will tell you say you no need document, the person dey lie. Because one, if you no get these documents, it go limit you from some certain business. So be say sometimes if you go for this person's store, it's okay, I get this thing, the person go ask you where your documents. They go ask you your document. If you don't get that document, there are some places where you no go fit go. No only local stores you go dey go, they sell. But if you want put your business for supermarket, 80% of supermarkets no go collect your product if you no get this document. And I go mention one important document. One, every one of us, we dey familiar with CAC. No matter any business so you dey run, you need your CAC, number one. So that CAC now, it will help you for you to process other documents. Or even if you want to do another thing, they will still ask you of that your CAC. Without your CAC, you know even if you process another one. So you consider your CAC first. Now be number one. Then secondly, what is very, very important, your NAFDAC. You go ask me, say, why is it important? Yes, your NAFDAC is very important. Because if you no get this NAFDAC, there are some places where we say your market no go fit enter. That's just the thing. Once you go, you say, okay, I get this product. If they won't consider, say, okay, yes, we won't take your product. Then go ask you where your NAFDAC approval. If you do that NAFDAC, now 2 sizes you go apply for NAFDAC. If you do sachet, you do plastic. Now 2 types. Plastic and sachet no be the same number they will give you. If you do plastic, your plastic, if now 2 sizes is different. Your jar na different NAFDAC number now you go carry. Even if you did 10 sizes for the plastic, now 1 NAFDAC number now all of them go carry. But for your document, it go state say you do extension pack sizes. I just want break am for you so that you go understand. And if you be person they do jar and they do sachet, that means you go still do another way be sachet, because 2 of them no be the same thing. They will talk say na sachet you do. And that sachet too, if you won't do pack size, if na 3 sizes you get, you will still do pack sizes. Now so, if you like get 100 pack sizes, you go pay for all of them. Don't be say you want to do NAFDAC, you want to do 10 sizes. If you say na 1 size, you go pay for. No, you have to pay for all the whole sizes. Now be the extension pack size. And waiting you need for you to fit apply for this NAFDAC approval. Yes, I go tell you for free. I know say some people they no go fit tell you for free, but I go tell you because me I don't do. As I dey here, I get 10 NAFDAC approval. The document you need for fit apply for your NAFDAC approval, you need one. That's your CAC. That's why I put out for number 1. You need your CAC to fit apply for NAFDAC. You need your trademark to fit apply for NAFDAC. Make sure you get your trademark. It's very, very important. You need your fumigation certificate to fit apply for NAFDAC. 4, you need your food handler test. So once you get this 4, then you are good to go. All these things will take you process for you to fit get the document. You are good to go once this document they are out. The next thing what you do is you now apply. Once you meet NAFDAC, they will charge you any official way you meet. And once they charge you, they'll come tell you say first thing where you go pay for now SOP. You will ask what be SOP. SOP na standard of production. So now you go pay for first. Then they'll come start to fill your form with all those credentials where you. So they'll fill your form, then they will still ask you where you they get your raw materials and how you they take process them. These are the questions where they go ask you for that NAFDAC and where you they do them. So don't forget say after they don't fill this thing for you finish. Now that time, now they go call say make you come pay or the official money for the NAFDAC. The first money you go pay. Remember, I tell you say na SOP, standard of production. Then when they don't finish the SOP, now you come pay the official money for NAFDAC. If you pay for the official money, you go still pay for inspection money and a remitter now you go pay to. Once you don't pay to that remitter, they'll come send you message say you don't pay. Maybe after like 1 week or 2 weeks, they'll come book you for inspection. Once they book you for inspection, there are some things so you go need to meet up before they go fit approve your food. This is supposed to be on that topic, but I want more to talk about this NAFDAC. So one thing where you go like meet up is say NAFDAC don't want anything where be wooden something once they come inspection for your place. They don't want anything where be plastic something once they come inspection for your place. Wetin they want, your table go be stainless table, iron. I don't know as I will take talk away you go understand. If you watch my office, wetin you go see there, now anything will be stainless, you no go see rubber, not only the chair, now the rubber will be there. You will get your stainless table. Everything, both the bath where you go use the basin, go be stainless. They don't need anything rubber. Just to tell you, in case if you come across them, you don't reach that stage, everything they go require. And anywhere where you dey, they go want to make nets dey there. That flies no go dey enter. And they go need the place where be say say once they come inside, dem go wash their hand, where go dey accessible for them to wash their hand. So when you reach the time of this NAFDAC, just know say na where work go dey o, na this inspection na im work go dey, because if dem come and wetin dem see dem no dey satisfied, na im be say dem go fail you. You have to pay another money for inspection, and dem go come book you again before you go come. So I go still tell you another thing wey you go need to do once dem dey come for inspection, because if dem dey come for inspection, e get different category wey you go like to put in place. No be say you go leave everywhere like that. You have to put everything in place. I go teach you that one, see as e go take be, because dem want everything make e dey in different section by section, and dem go ask you question o, because for that food handler test now wey you do, no be only you go run am, you and your workers go follow go do am. Dem need somebody wey get certificate, wey don finish school, university, no be O level o. So dem go need that person. That person go represent you. Two of una go dey, because that day dem go ask you a lot of questions, and that question na based on everything wey you don write for your SOP. So dem go dey ask you that question, because na wetin you write na wetin dem go ask you. So if you dey fill that form, remember say everything wey you dey fill, dem go ask you that question. I don go through and na wetin make me dey lecture you one by one, so that you sef you go get everything wey dem dey talk. This NAFDAC long o, and we go still go for SON. So I wan make we stop here. We go get another part. I go teach you how you go set your office. Anytime wey dem come, once you just come, you go say okay, this person talk and say na like this e go be. And if you need any answer, ask me, because NAFDAC fit fail you 10 times. No go lie for you. So once you don reach that stage, just dey prepare your mind. Say dem no need anything like plastic, dem no need anything like wooden something. Your table no go be wooden, nothing go be wooden. If we come next, I go show you some things so you go need to do, wey be say you go keep am for different sections. So because if dem come, dem wan see that section by section. Once you get this NAFDAC, e dey very easy for you to go supermarket, because dem go say okay, NAFDAC dey there. So even if they get 4 products for there, dem fit consider say make your own dey there, because I bring my own, you bring your own. Person fit come, oh, I want Gellasfood plantain chips, they give am that one. Another person come, okay, I want Jenny food. Another fit come, I say I want Ace food. So everybody with their own brand. If you go for supermarket, make them get 3 brands, but make that one no stop you say make you no go. But before you go enter, make sure say you get this thing. If you want big target, make sure say you get this thing. So they pick one by one how this supermarket, how they take pay, how they run their business. That's now another thing wey I go teach. So make we stop here for today. Don't forget to go subscribe to our YouTube channel. Abeg, watch our video, drop your comment. If you get any question, ask me. I go reply you back. I love you, or I want to make all of us grow together. But don't forget, I still remain your one and only Angela, the plantain girl. Bye.